Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Rivian Automotive, and we are just a couple of minutes past the close of regular trading hours. Today, the Rivian Automotive stock dropped close to 5 percentage points, and the market closed with Rivian Automotive trading at $40.10. After market, it has recovered somewhat and it's trading at $40.16. Now, they came out with production numbers for the first quarter in 2022 today. So far, they have been able to produce about 2,500 plus vehicles, and they are actually on track to producing 25,000 vehicles for 2022. This is one of the hottest EVs to hit the market, and they have demonstrated that their vehicle has quite superior technology. It is quite modular, so you could use it as a grocery getter. Soccer moms could use it. You could also take it off-road. It is very capable with adequate range, and the way it's just set up is such that it's a truly multi-purpose vehicle. So the Rivian truck, of course, has been getting deliveries to retail customers. Amazon has I think they're planning on getting quite a few of the commercial platforms from Rivian, and that is a modular platform that the commercial operators can get and then build it to their specific needs. So the good thing about Rivian, even though production numbers seem to be double the number of vehicles that they actually deliver to customers in the first quarter of 2022, the major takeaway here is that Rivian has proven that they can actually build an electric vehicle and bring it to the market. So the challenge that Rivian is going to face going forward is, will they be able to ramp up production to meet all this pent up demand? Also, the situation in Russia and Ukraine hasn't really eased down, so tempers are still high, and the demand for alternative fuel vehicles is at a record high right now. Many manufacturers, including Tesla, are adding a premium to not just electric vehicles but even normal internal combustion engine vehicles, because not only do you have a shortage of components to build batteries for EVs, but you also have a chip shortage which affects the whole broader market, including internal combustion engines, which we know are the majority of vehicles on the road. So the major takeaway from today's video is that Rivian Automotive came out with production numbers, which was about 2,500, I think, and 55, and less than half of those were actually delivered to customers. And the other thing to remember is that the wider stock market, especially the Nasdaq index, composite index, was down today, and that was the result of many of the tech stocks going down. So Rivian was no exception. I believe what they announced was good news. It's just that the wider market, for whatever reason, was down today. So we will keep a close watch and see what exactly is going on. You can see that the volume of shares that exchanged hands today was at 22 million compared to an average volume of 19 million. The 52-week range, of course, is from $33 all the way to $179. So if you look at the spectrum, we are actually at the lower end of the 52-week range, whereas we have a lot of good news coming from Rivian Automotive, including the fact that they are actually delivering vehicles, and now all what's left is just for Rivian to ramp up production and become a valid competitor to the likes of Tesla, BMW, and other EV manufacturers, of course, including Ford. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to give this quick update about the production numbers for Rivian Automotive, and that they seem to be on track, probably to hit their 25,000 vehicles this 2022. Bye.